Hello students, today's topic is atmosphere. There are three domains, major domains of the earth as we all know, and these three major domains of the earth are the first, that is land, or we can say lithosphere. The next one is the water, or we can say hydrosphere, and the next and the very important one is the air, or we can say atmosphere. So today I'll take this topic, air. What is air or atmosphere? Atmosphere is nothing. This is our earth, and our earth is surrounded by a gas or air which covers our earth from its all sides like a blanket. This red circle which I draw here is the atmosphere. In atmosphere we found many gases which is called, which we can understand easily through composition of atmosphere, means how atmosphere is composed by which gases. And the next important topic in it is the layers of atmosphere. Now layers of atmosphere means the structure of atmosphere. It is the structure of atmosphere from land to here, the last in the universe, from till where the air or the gas is found. Today the topic which I am taking is the layers of air. Now this is our earth, this is equator. So now till here, from pole to equator, from pole let us go to upward side sky, and from here also to sky. So now I am taking this area, this land area, from pole to equator. So from pole to equator, that is which I am drawing here, this is our pole, that is the 90 degree, to here equator, that is 0 degree. So the land which I take here is from 90 degree to 0 degree land area. Now from here, as we are going to upward side, and that is, so this is how, let us understand that how our earth is made one by one. This is our first layer or sphere, sorry. The upper limit of this sphere is 14 to 16 kilometer here in on the equator, equatorial area, while it is approximately 4 to 6 kilometer only here in the on the polar region. So it is not straight line. This sphere is called troposphere. Troposphere. Now, what is the importance of troposphere? If we see the importance of troposphere, then in troposphere we found each and everything. Let us come to the physical features. Then all the physical features like plain, mountain, plateau, coastal region, desert, glaciers, islands, oceans, sea, etc. all are here. The highest physical feature, that is the Mount Everest, the height which highest height is approximately 9 kilometer, comes in it. Similarly, clouds, rainfall, snow for precipitation, thundering, we can say, like birds, vegetation, we human beings or animals, means flora, fauna, storm, cyclone, the very important gas for us, that is oxygen, carbon dioxide. Oxygen is a heavy gas, so it is found near the earth's surface, means biosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere, atmosphere, important part of atmosphere, and including all these, that is the biosphere. All this is found in the troposphere. So troposphere is the most important sphere of earth. Now let us come to the next sphere, and this next sphere is this one. The height of next sphere is 50 kilometers. The name of next sphere is, second sphere is stratosphere. By name it is clear that it is a stratosphere, so we cannot see a lot of change in this sphere. I'll come to the temperature in last, after completing the whole spheres. So the upper limit is 50 kilometer. If we ask about importance, then the major importance of this sphere is that in this sphere we find there is a very thin layer, and this thin layer is of ozone gas. It is approximately 3 kilometer thin layer which is in the stratosphere. As we all know, from sun three types of rays comes: large rays and very large rays. These are the light rays which comes easily to us. Similarly, second one, sun rays are the heat sun rays, and this heat sun rays also easily reach to earth. And this last one is the ultraviolet rays, and this ultraviolet rays are very harmful to us, and that is the importance of ozone, that this ozone, so the importance of the ozone is that it does not pass the harmful ultraviolet rays, and it just reflect this ultraviolet rays to space, and this is how this layer help us from these harmful ultraviolet rays. Now we ask about the second importance of this layer, and this layer is free from birds, clouds, a very small light clouds. The white cotton clouds are found here, otherwise no clouds are found in this stratosphere. So the aviation department is using this sphere to run their flights from one place to another place without any obstacles. So that is the two importance of stratosphere. Ozone layer is there, and the next one is that we can use this sphere as for the purpose of aviation also. Now one thing is that upper limit of troposphere, the name of this is topopause. Topopause. Similarly, the upper limit of stratosphere is stratopause. Similarly, the next sphere, the mesosphere, the upper limit of that mesosphere is mesopause. So the name of the upper limit of each sphere is on the base of the that particular sphere. तो sphere का नाम होता है उसी के नाम पर उसके upper limit का नाम है. बस last में sphere की जगह लग जाएगा pose. Like here, troposphere की जगह topopause, stratosphere की जगह stratopause. Let us come to the next sphere, which is the third sphere. The upper limit third sphere is 80 kilometer. The name of the third sphere is mesosphere. In this sphere, the name of this sphere is mesosphere. Is first thing, this sphere is the middle one sphere, and the second one is that we found a lot of dust particles and many mesos particles in this sphere. These are the some meso particles. So that's why when any meteorites comes towards Earth's surface because of the gravitation of Earth, when it passes through this one a region, then obviously because of the this mesos are there, dust particles are there. सिंपल सा एग्जांपल देखें तो हमारे घर में कर्टन्स होते हैं, और हम जोर की उस कर्टन पर अपनी फिंगर्स को लगाएं तो हमारे हाथ गर्म हो जाएंगे. ऑब्वियसली यहाँ पर भी जब मीटरॉइड्स आते हैं, तो वो मीटरॉइड्स जब आते हैं तो इस एरिया में पहुंचते ही मीटरॉइड्स, ऑल दिस मीटरॉइड व्हिच वी आल्सो कॉल्ड द burning star or Turta Tara. Actually, this Turta Tara is not a burning star, it is a meteoroids which comes towards the earth and burn in this particular sphere, mesosphere. Well, there is no particular any special importance of this sphere. That's all. Now let us come to the other sphere. The next sphere is the upper limit of next sphere is 400 kilometers. Sphere is also called the ionosphere and also called the thermosphere. The name of this sphere, ionosphere, is basically because many ions particles are in this sphere. These all ion particles are when chargeables, means plus negative and positives ion particles are there. They reflect the radioactive waves to the Earth's surface, and that is the main importance of this sphere. When we send radio waves, these chargeable ion particles reflect those radio waves towards Earth without any help of satellite. We reach these radio waves easily. So that is the most important feature of this sphere, and that is the reflection of the radio waves. And that is why we are using radios from last 200 years without the help of satellite. Now let us come to the next sphere. As I already told you that the upper limit of mesosphere, this one is the mesopause. The upper limit of this ionosphere is called ionopause. The last one sphere is called the exosphere. My name it is clear. The atmosphere exists from here. So that is why this is called the exosphere. Actually, if we ask about the upper limit of exosphere, then we found a lot of difference between different geographers. Few geographers are saying the upper limit is 900 kilometer, and some are saying 1000 kilometers, some are saying 1100, 1200 to 1300 kilometers and above. And many are saying that there is no upper limit of exosphere. It from here the space starts. Till space we found exosphere. So that is the importance of exosphere. That from here we found the exit towards the atmosphere. As I told you, in the last we discussed about the temperature. Then this is very easy to learn about the temperature in the first sphere. As we go upward side, and that is 164 meter upward sides, we found temperature -1 degree centigrade. Temperature decreased. So in the first sphere temperature is decreased, while in the next sphere temperature increased. In mesosphere, next sphere temperature decreased as we go upward side. In the next sphere, ionosphere, the temperature is increasing, and in the last sphere, that is the exosphere, the temperature is again decreasing as we go upward sides. So we found alternate radiation here. According to this, we found in the ionopause temperature approximately 10 degree centigrade, while it is a stratosphere. So temperature is increasing but not too much, because we cannot find a lot of changes here, a little bit changes here. That is why the temperature what we found here is 1 degree centigrade, that's all. And as we go upward side, then we found in mesopause the temperature is decreasing, so it is -100 degrees centigrade, while here the temperature in ionosphere the temperature is very high, approximately 1000 degrees centigrade. On other hand, as we if we go to exosphere, the temperature is decreasing and there is no upper limit of exosphere. It goes towards the space, and we all know that upper limit of and we all know that space is very cold. So this is how I try to explain you about the layers of atmosphere. This layers of atmosphere is also called the structure of atmosphere. Now the second important thing in this chapter is the composition of atmosphere, that we will discuss in the second part of the chapter atmosphere. Thank you.